How to turn off receive tax notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off receive tax notifications. It's so easy and quick on Facebook. Just go to your Facebook and click on those three lines up there. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on notifications. And here click on the second option, which is tax, and click on you have where you receive these notifications. You can click to turn on or off push emails or SMS, or turn it on, whatever you want or whatever you prefer. And this is it. So hope this video was helpful to you. It's so easy and quick. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.